45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, count by five. Count by 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, yeah. And then there's 90.
All right, Joey, let's hear it, buddy. The debut of the new Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally step-by-step version.
Hey, girl, can't you see? You got to start with parentheses. And, girl, yes, it's true. Exponents are number 2. Step by step.
Ooh,
Ooh,
baby.
math. Then you multiply or divide. Step by step. Ooh, math. Then you add or subtract from left to right.
Thanks for being a good sport. Joey McIntyre, New Kids on the Block. Mr. C, special ed teacher who's going to teach the kids the order of operations, the New Kids on the Block version